Hey guys, in today's video we'll be completing our list of 20 websites where you can learn online. But first, here's a rundown of the websites listed in our last video. Coursera, the Khan Academy, EDX, Udacity, Lynda, Audible, Google Books, WikiHow, Do-It-Yourself, and Instructables. Now let's dive right into what we have for you today. Let's Make Robots. It's quite obvious. Let's Make Robots will teach you how to make robots. The website is undoubtedly the #1 hobbyist community for robotics. You can learn anything from the basics of rotary encoders to how to choose a battery for your project, how to make a drone, getting the right tools, using sensors, and how to program a robot. All for free. From tutorials on how to build robots to members projects, a marketplace, and general brainstorming sessions on robot ideas, Let's Make Robots is probably the best place to start your journey as a fan of robotics. WonderHow too. If you've ever wondered how to unlock a car with your cars inside, how to crack a safe with a magnet, or how to make gunpowder from salt and sugar, then this website is for you. WonderHow 2 has some of the most insane and unconventional resources on the internet. Launched in 2008, WonderHow 2 is one of the world's largest how-to video sites. The site aggregates content from platforms like Gadget Hacks, Next Reality, Food Hacks, Invisiverse, Mind Hacks, and many more. There are also 40 different categories to choose from. If you're looking for some really insane ideas and learning inspirations, this is probably the best place to start. IKEA Hackers. IKEA is well known for selling ready-to-assemble furniture and home accessories at affordable prices. IKEA Hackers is a website that is dedicated to the repurposing and customization of IKEA products. The website features over 5,000 hacks from users across the globe. If you are looking for general ideas on how to spice things up in your living space, or more specific ideas like how to convert your IKEA Frosta stools into a garden bar cart, you should check out this website. Make Projects. This website is all about projects. It is a platform where makers, thinkers, and doers can share their projects. Although this is not the best place to learn a skill such as programming or drawing, your creative side will definitely be given a boost when you see what other people are doing. You can follow through some breathtaking ideas from conception to completion. Users generally explain their build, what they have used for their projects, and the steps involved. There are 8 main categories to draw inspiration from, including crafts and design, digital fabrication, drone and vehicle, education, home, science, and technology. TED Talks. Although TED conferences rose to prominence over the last decade, they've been around since 1990. TED is a non-profit devoted to spreading ideas, usually in the form of short talks. And, true to its slogan, ideas worth sharing, TED Talks will open you up to some of the most amazing ideas. If you are intrigued by general knowledge, such as the bug that poops candy, or how we could teach our bodies to heal faster, head over to TED. Chances are that you'll discover how other people are changing the world in your field of interest. HowStuff Works. Do you know how airplane cabins are pressurized, or why birds of a feather mob together? From seemingly trivial things like those just listed to more technical things like how alternate gaming reality works, HowStuff Works is one of the best websites to learn for free. The American commercial infotainment website provides valuable insight into the way many things work. Similar to TED Talks and Make Projects, HowStuff Works is best suited for hobbyists who are interested in understanding the science and arts behind some of the things we see around us. YouTube. This list would not be complete without mentioning YouTube, and, of course, YouTube needs no introduction. It is undoubtedly the world's largest resource for free online learning videos. If you are watching this video, then you already know that you can learn literally anything from YouTube. Udemy. Udemy is another popular education platform that was developed to help people learn new things from anywhere in the world. The website has been in existence since 2010 and claims to have over 100,000 online video courses for learners to choose from. Unlike other websites on today's listing, learning at Udemy comes at a fee. You can start exploring thousands of courses starting at $10.99. Also, whilst there are a plethora of courses to choose from, most of them fall under the IT and business development category. Skillshare. Skillshare is another website in the same category as Udemy. It is an online platform that allows students to choose from a variety of courses and skills that could come in handy in either their personal lives or professional careers. Talking about pricing, Skillshare has 2 plans, the basic and premium plans. As a basic user, you will have access to over 2,000 videos and tutorials, which is a fair deal if you ask me. Premium membership starts at $15 per month and will give you access to over 26,000 courses, teacher support, scholarship contribution, and an option to save and download classes to your mobile device. As a new user, you'll be given an invitation to try out the premium plan for free for 2 months. Teachable. Last but not least on our list of websites for learning online is Teachable. Although the site gives more attention to online tutors and course creators, you can still learn a thing or two from Teachable. Unlike Udemy and Skillshare that runs a subscription model, Teachable prices each course individually. Learning about business, photography, finance, design, or any of the other 8 categories costs anything from $39 to over $850. In conclusion, considering the vast wealth of information that is available on the internet and the number of free and paid options to facilitate learning, I don't think you have a valid excuse that is stopping you from expanding the frontiers of your knowledge. Start learning today.